Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. First we use blue color. The next one is red color. And now we use yellow color. The next one is green color and the last one is black color. Kids, today we draw numbers. First we use blue color and draw the number of 1. Now we draw the number of 1. We again use blue color and now we draw 2. TWO 2. The next one is 3. THREE 3. Kids, again we use blue color. Now we draw 4. The next one is 5. Now we draw 6 and use red color. Kids, now we use red color. The number of 6. Now we draw 6. The next one is 7. We again use red color and now we draw the number of 8. The next one is 9. NINE 9. Now we draw 10. TEN 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.